Hello pals, welcome to today's video tutorial. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys an awesome thing, actually a new feature on Facebook Messenger, which many of you might have not been using, and you might be thinking it's coming out soon, and it's not yet out. So actually, what is awesome is a Facebook Messenger latest update. Although they haven't actually released the update settings yet, they are yet to release it. So there is actually a hack to it. I'm talking about the new Facebook dark theme. The new Facebook dark theme actually makes your Facebook Messenger looks cool in a dark mode. I think it's actually cool. I like the cool look of it. So I'm going to show you guys how to switch to your Facebook dark mode without roaming your device, because so many people who have this tutorial out there will advise you to make sure your device is rooted. So I'm going to teach you how to do this without rooting your device. It actually took me time to discover how to do it. I have to try a lot of things, but firstly, let's dive in and start over. So if you have your Facebook Messenger, the first thing I advise you to do is to go over to Play Store. Click on the Play Store, Google Play Store. That's what I mean. Click on your Google Play Store, and then once it's open, first of all, you are going to see the home page like this. The first thing you are going to do is to update your Facebook Messenger. So go ahead and click on your Facebook Messenger. Once you click on your Facebook Messenger, the first thing you see on the left hand side is the uninstall, and the next is the update. But if it's already updated, showing you the open, just like my own, that means your Facebook Messenger is updated to the latest version. And mind you, if you try this trick and it didn't work out for you, that means your Facebook Messenger is still outdated, because I tried this initially and it didn't work for me, but for some reason I have to go back and update my device, and it works like magic. So let's go ahead and open our Facebook Messenger, since we already updated the Facebook Messenger. So now we are on our Facebook Messenger. All you need to do is to click on any Facebook contact you've chatted with previously. Just go ahead and click on any contact you have, and I think I'm just going to go ahead and click on this one, which was the last person I chat with. So all you need to do is to click on your test area, as if you want to send a message to a friend. The next thing you do is to click on the emoji next to the test area, which is this one, and the area it's going to definitely bring you to this area, which is actually the sticker, which is always the first thing. But all you need to do is to click on the emoji area right here. Once you click on the emoji, it's going to firstly start showing you this, but you can look down at the bottom area. You will notice this barely look face, not the emoji, not the smiley emoji look face, this barely look emoji. Go ahead and click on it. It looks cute, but this cute thing can do a lot of things. So go ahead and scroll down and try to locate this area where it has a lot of moon and a lot of sun. So you can notice the sun, which is actually the yellow one I'm talking about. After the sun, there is this moon in the middle, then before the star. Go ahead and click on the moon, which is this one. Once you click on the moon, you can notice it's now selected. So all you need to do is to send that message. So when you send the message, you're going to notice all this dropping down. So once it's done dropping down, you're going to notice an option on the top. But because I've done this before, it's not showing me that option. So after that, all you need to do is to go back, click on your settings area, and then you will see this dark mode is already activated for us. And you should note this dark mode was not there before. When I was making some previous tutorial, you can check my previous tutorial, this dark mode was never there. So once you've seen this dark mode, all you need to do is to click on this navigation area. You can now notice working in progress. While we put the finishing touch on your dark mode, it won't appear everywhere on Messenger. So just go ahead and click on OK. Now you can notice I'm now in dark mode. Cool, right? This is actually awesome. It makes my Messenger looks a bit better. I actually prefer it like this, unlike the light mode area. So you can go back and you can notice it now looks better than the previous one. So I actually prefer this message, like, so you can now chat with your friends and say a lot of things you like, and it's actually cool compared to the previous light version. So I actually changed my version from the light version to the dark mode, which is actually the latest version of the Facebook, and Facebook are going to be releasing this version very soon. But right now, this is the only way you can activate it without rooting your device. So thank you for watching this video. Please leave your comment below if you're having any challenges, and please always welcome any question. I always reply to every question. So whatever question you're having, I'm going to respond to that, and I'm going to make sure I have this fixed with you. So there is nothing you should panic about. I'm here with you. I got your back. So leave your comments, subscribe, and if you actually enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends. So many people don't really know how to do this and they're in need of it. So please share it with your friends, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Always check out for more video every day. I upload videos every day on my channel, and I make sure to do the latest and the trending stuff, if not the difficult, from the basic to the advanced stuff. So do check out my channel for more video tutorials. Thank you.